1. Grapple, verb, engage in a close fight or struggle without weapons, wrestle. Synonyms, confront, cope. Antonyms, release, let go. Example sentence. Every blood vessel was striving to grapple with the present. 2. Perilous, adjective, full of danger or risk, hazardous. Synonyms, vulnerable, dicey. Antonyms, safe, secure. Example sentence. Our current economy is in a perilous state. 3. Pervasive, adjective, present or noticeable in every part. Synonyms, extensive, prevalent. Antonyms, scarce, limited. Example sentence. The pervasive smell of petrol made everyone anxious. 4. Mockery, adjective, teasing, ridicule. Synonyms, light, sublime. Antonyms, earthly, indelicate. Example sentence. The trail was a mockery. The judge has decided the verdict before it began. 5. Menace, noun/verb, be a threat or possible danger to. Synonyms, hazard, threat. Antonyms, delight, pleasure. Example sentence. Africa's elephants are still menaced by poaching. 6. Zest, noun, great enthusiasm and energy. Synonyms, enthusiasm, zeal. Antonym, indifference, lethargy. Example sentence. A bit of zest is important in life. 7. Wayward, adjective, contrary. Synonyms, delinquent, capricious. Antonyms, compliant, obedient. Example sentence. The wayward points in the case made him lose it. 8. Gape, verb, stare. Synonyms, glare, ogle. Antonyms, ignore, overlook. Example sentence. Many people gape in anger. 9. Pine, verb, long for. Synonyms, crave, hanker. Antonyms, dislike, despise. Example sentence. They pined for a lot money and ended up in jail. 10. Muffled, adjective, quietened. Synonyms, silenced, subdued. Antonyms, encouraged, promoted. Example sentence. He muffled the noise with his roar.